Animations let you turn a single image, start frame, into a short video or create a smooth transition between two images, start and end frames. You can animate any render you've created with MyArchitectAI or upload your own images. Let's create an animation based on a render generated in a previous session. The start frame is where the animation begins and is always required. When animating from an existing session, you can pick the start frame from your session history by selecting a history item and clicking Use as Start Frame. Using both start and end frames gives you more control over how the animation ends. You can either use one of the images from your session history or upload a new one by clicking the End Frame field. After setting your frames, select a Motion preset. This defines either how the camera moves through the animation or how the start frame transitions into the end frame. Here's an example start frame animation based on the Pan Left preset. Remember, only add an end frame if you have a matching image. For example, for the before and after preset, you need your CAD drawing as the start frame and the final render as the end frame. For the furnish preset, use an empty space as the start frame and a furnished space as the end frame. For the assemble preset, the start frame should be an image of an empty site and the end frame the site with your building on it. Edit by prompt will help you quickly create a matching frame. I need a close-up shot of the wall art as the start frame, so let's go to the Edit tab to generate it. Then I'll move back to the Animations tab, set the close-up shot as the start frame, and use the full scene render as the end frame. I'll use the Dolly Out Camera preset to create a smooth transition between them. While the camera presets will most likely cover 90% of your animation's needs, you're not limited to just presets. Open Advanced Settings to see and customize the prompt each preset uses, or remove the prompt and write your own from scratch. Here's how it works. Your uploaded image already defines the scene. The room, the lighting, the materials, everything visual. The prompt only needs to describe how the camera moves and how the environment behaves. A good animation prompt only needs two parts: camera movement and ambient motion. You don't need both every time. Camera movement alone is often enough. For static camera shots, describing the ambience is all you need. Here are some common camera motions you can use in your custom prompts. Combining these with speed modifiers like slowly, gently, or gradually will let you generate smooth fly-throughs. Use quickly or fast only if you want dramatic speed. And here are some example ways to describe the ambient motion. Check our animations guide for more prompt examples. There are no limits to what you can create. Write a custom prompt describing any kind of animation you need. Lastly, let's go through some best practices for making the most out of animations in MyArchitectAI. When using both start and end frames, keep the framing change gradual. A slight angle shift or a small zoom works best. Describe motion, not the scene. Your image already shows the scene. Don't repeat what's visible. Use degree words for motion intensity. The AI can't infer speed or intensity from your image alone. Always mention it in your prompts. Words like slowly, gently, quickly, strongly, and slightly make a big difference. Don't use negative prompts. Saying what you don't want won't work. Always describe what you do want. We hope this quick guide was helpful. If anything's still unclear, you can always reach out to us through the live chat. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.